Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today was I don't know which kind of feelings I have. I don't know whether I'm happy or I'm sad, but I'm just back from work and I've closed a position that I've entered on the 14th of March, which is on Saturday. I've closed the position today with a profit of 1.3k, and yeah, so I'm just shooting this video to it's just like a documentary of my journey from where I am to where I'll be getting to before 2026 end. So in this video also I'm going to be showing you if any beginner is watching this video also is going to teach you how to trade, how I trade just for beginners. So if you're a beginner watching, stick around to the end and hopefully you enjoy this video. And yeah, you can follow me on Instagram also. I'll put the Instagram link or the username, yeah, I think it's the username, yeah, on the screen and also in the description, so you can follow me there. Yeah, so let's jump right into the video. How are you guys doing? It's been a long time since I've uploaded video on this channel. Basically what I wanted to show you today is some of the trades that I took. I don't know, I'm not going to show you all the trades because that will take a lot of time, but basically I just wanted to show you how uh, trading is. you know I'm also at one point, if you're a new trader that is watching this video right now, at some point I've been in your shoes. Right now it's just that I'm becoming a little bit more profitable. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you what works in this trading industry and then what doesn't work. I'm just going to show you what works. The rest of it is up to you how you want to do it. But this, I'm going to show you the fundamental of trading, and then I'll show you the trade that I'm currently in, that I've entered yesterday, which is on the 14th of March 2026. Yeah. So the trade that I entered on Saturday, which is on the 14th of March. So I'll show you that. But for now, I'm just going to show you the basic, the fundamental things that you need to know in trading. Yeah, so let's get right into it. So first of all, you have to know that in trade there is nothing, price doesn't move like this in a straightforward to the up and then come down. As you can see, it's not like that. As you can see from the from the previous candlesticks or candle formations, you can see that price doesn't move like that. Price move in a certain way. Right now you can see prices all over the place, so you cannot really identify it, but let me show you how price really move. So if you look, you can notice that price move in a certain zigzag ways. So if I say zigzag, I mean price will go up if price is going up. So if price is going uptrend, which is to the upside, price is going to move up and then come down, move up, come down, go up again, come down, go up. That's how price move. That's all. All you need to know is how price move, and this how price move. That's all. And then for the downtrend also, downtrend, or if price is going down, price is going to do the opposite. So price is going to start from the top because price is coming down, so you need to start from the top. So it will come down, go up a little bit, come down, go up a little bit, come down, go up a little bit, and then come down. This all you have to know. So let me write it. Let me identify it for you guys. So this is basically an uptrend, or you can say price going up, whatever. But let's just say uptrend, meaning price is going up. And then this one is price going down, so downtrend. So it's a trend. In a trend, in such a, in a mindset that a trend is something that constantly, like a trend means something that is variable, or something that it continues in a certain way for a very like reasonable amount of time. That's what we call a trend. So if you say an uptrend, it means something that is going up in a reasonable amount of time. So if you say a downtrend, is the opposite, something that is coming down in a reasonable amount of time. So That's an uptrend and then a downtrend. So that's what you need to know in trading. So I'm going to say everything that you've learned, all the videos that you've been watching, for all this while, if you're a new beginner, all these videos that you've been watching, take it out of your mind. Learn the basic, because trading actually works for me when I start focusing on the basic. No indicator, no mentorship, nothing. Like when I start focusing on the basic things, the most fundamental thing, that's where trading actually works for me. So that's why I'm telling you this. Forget everything that you've learned from other creators and then focus on this uptrend and then downtrend. This is how it works. So these are the two things that you need to know. After that, then you need to learn market structure. So as a beginner, the only thing that you need to know is the fundamental, and the fundamental is knowing whether price is going up or price is going down. Right now, I've showed you what you need to see for you to know that price is going up or coming down. But you also need to learn something also called market structure. Market structure basically means, even though you know that price is going up, you need to know the reason why price is going up. You just not like you just don't see candle going up and down and then say that it's going up. You need to know the reason why it's going up. So let me just clean this thing and show you. So if you say market structure, basically what it means, so you're going to take uptrend for an example. So uptrend for example. So uptrend market structure. Let me name it uptrend market structure. Uptrend market market. If the structure is not correct, it's nothing. I'm just trying to teach you how to make money, not grammar. Okay, so uptrend market structure. What it basically means is you need to know why the price or the market is going up. So what you need to see. So for example, if market is going up, this is what you need to see to know the market is going. It's on an uptrend, meaning it's going up. So first you need to see. So if the price goes like this in this direction, it's going up, but it doesn't mean it is on a trend. So trend means basically what I said earlier means trend is like a variant or content or something that lasts for a reasonable amount of time. So if you see price going up in one direction to the upside, it doesn't mean it's a trend. It can be another thing else, which you are not at that point, so I'm not going to say. So if you see price going up, it doesn't mean it's going on an uptrend. So what you need to see to know that price is going on an uptrend is when you see price going up, you just have to wait and see if price will come back down again. If price comes back down, you wait and also see whether price will stop at a certain point within this range. You see from here to here. From this point here to this point here, you see whether price will maintain this range. If price comes here and then refuses to break below this level, refuses to break below this level, take notes. If price refuses to break below this level, this point here, meaning price doesn't want to go down. And we are not yet saying it's going on an uptrend yet. We still wait, because a trend is something that will last long. We can't just see something going up and down and then we say it's a trend. No. So you wait, and then if price eventually pause here and then goes up, wait for the candle to close before you can establish if if price has finally finished stopping at that position or in that range. So you have to wait for the candle to close. You don't just look at candle moving up and down and then say no, 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 that's not a break of structure. So you wait. If price hasn't broken any low level, this a point, this is the high level, low level. If price didn't break this level, then price doesn't want to go down, but it doesn't mean that price is going on an uptrend. You wait again. If price ended up breaking above the high level or the upside, this point here, the upside here, and it ended up breaking, bam, and then the candle closes at the top, meaning price is now preparing to go on an uptrend. We are not saying it's going on an uptrend yet. We still wait for price to come down again. If price refuses to break this low here. So we are not considering this low again, we are considering this low. If price refuses to break below this low here, meaning if price refuses to break, the price come over here and then reject and then come over here, and then the candle closes at this place. Boom. We still wait and then see price to break. If price finally breaks above this level again, then we can see price is going on an uptrend now. Because first, price refuses to break below this low here, goes up, breaking the high, meaning price is going up. Price come down again, refuses to break below the low here, break above this high again, meaning price is on an uptrend. So this is just market structure for you. So now we know why price is going uptrend, because price refuses to break low. The same thing applies to downtrend also. So let's say price reaches here and then it refuses to go up. So the way how are we going to know that price is going on a downtrend? We wait for price to come down here. If price breaks below this level, boom, we don't say price is going on a downtrend yet. We wait for the candle to close and then go back up. If price ended up breaking above this level again, this is not a downtrend. Price is still on an uptrend. But if price reaches here and then comes down, or even if the candle ended up closing here and then breaks below this level, then you can say price is on a downtrend now. Price is on a downtrend because price ended up breaking the low. First, it broke this low here. We are like, we are waiting for another confirmation, and then price ended up breaking this low also. That's a downtrend now. So this finally switches to what? A downtrend market structure. Downtrend market structure. That's all you need to know. This is all that you need to know in order to trade. That's all. Forget about the Fibonacci replacement, Fibonacci retracement, blah, blah, blah. Forget about all those things. Those things doesn't work. This is all that you need to know. Now, how are you going to actually make money from this up and down movement? The goal for you as a trader, as a retail trader, is to make money from price going up or price coming down. Apart from that, you don't enter into the market. If price is not doing one of these two, do not place a trade, do not enter, because at some point price will intentionally go up, come down like I explained, and then reaches here and then refuses to break any of the levels and then start doing this. We call this consolidation. Price is ranging. Price is ranging because price doesn't know what to do at this point. You can see these are the things you face as times goes on. You are going to face these things in the market. You're going to notice this in the market. Price will refuse to go up and break above this, and also refuses to go down and then breaks below this. You're going to notice this. This is called ranging or consolidating. So you say ranging. Yeah, the consolidating is too strong. The word is too big for me to spell. So I'll just say ranging. Yeah. What the fuck? Okay. Ranging market structure. Yeah. So this ranging, this is uptrend and this is a downtrend, and this is a ranging market structure. If price is doing this, do not enter. Do not enter into a trade. I repeat, do not enter into the trade when you see something like this, because any moment from now, price can either drop to the downside or goes up. We never know. This type of things you will never know. So you just wait for price. You only trade when price is going up or price is going down. But price is moving sideways, you don't trade. Okay. So how do you enter into the trade and make money? Simple. No complication, nothing. How do you entries? You say entries. So your entries. So for entries for uptrend market structure. I'm trying to make this simple for you guys. Uptrend market structure. I'm trying to make this thing simple for you guys. So uptrend market structure. Change now. Uptrend market structure. So basically, uptrend market structure, what it means is how to enter into the market on an upside. So if you see the market going up, how do you enter into the trade whilst it's going up? So first, you wait. I've taught you what you need to see to know if the market is going up. So if you see that, then and you recognize that, then all you have to do is just enter based on the basic knowledge that I've just teach you. So what I'm trying to say is to enter into the trade, once price is going up, you see price move to the upside like this. To not enter, you wait to confirm whether price is actually going up. If price ended up breaking this low here, I mean the price is not going up. What we need to do, we need to buy. We want to buy. So you wait. Our if confluence or whatever, our mind is telling us, oh, the way the market is going up and down, we want to buy. But what do you see in order to enter into the buy? Okay. So you see this uptrend. So you want to buy, meaning the price needs to be going up in order for you to buy. So you wait. Price goes up like this. You wait for price to come down again. If price come down and then it didn't break this, then you wait again, and then if the candle closes here, you wait. If the price ended up going up and then breaking above this, and then the candle also closes here, then now our brain, we started to think of buying now. But it doesn't mean you should buy immediately. We are not buying at the top, we buy at the bottom and then take price all the way to the top, and then we close our trade, we make money, that's all. So you wait for price to come down again. If price comes down and then it didn't break, the candle doesn't close it below this level, below here, then you wait. If it closes below, know that you are not buying again. That's all, you are not buying. If price ended up breaking below, meaning you are not buying, you wait and wait and wait until you see one of these two things that I'm going to show you. First, we are on an uptrend, so if price come there, meaning you are not buying again. So by if price, the candle doesn't close below this low here, then it closes here, then this is where we are buying. So if price started going up, notice, so if price started going up and then reaches here, why did I say it reaches? When price reaches here, because at this point here, what happened? At this point here, price reaches here, comes down, goes up, and then break here. So you have to know that in trading, we have something called buyers and then sellers. Buyers means buyers are pushing price to go up, and then sellers are pushing price to go down. If you look here, the reason why price comes down is because sellers are here pushing price to come down. As you can see, sellers are here pushing price to come down. So when sellers push price down, it come down. Buyers are also here. They gather enough money. The market, any kind that I see moving up and down, meaning there is a lot of billions of dollars moving up and down. So buyers are able to gather enough money to push price and then breaks the sellers that are here. So sellers are here, buyers are here. So when sellers push price here and then they finally hit the buyers gather enough money and then they finally pushes and then breaks above this level here, making and then when they push price above here, they ended up reaching another point where sellers are. So sellers are here again. Sellers are here again. Don't worry, if you're not understanding this video, watch it several times, you are going to understand. I bet you this is the only video that you need to watch in order to be profitable. So sellers are here. So when price reaches here, price pushes down again. Why? Because sellers are here pushing price down. And then here you can see buyers are here, which pushes price up. So let me take it again. So price reaches this point, pushes price down because sellers are here pushing, sellers are here. And buyers also doesn't have enough money to go above here. So that's why sellers are able to push price to the downside here. And then when sellers push they reach here, buyers are able to accumulate some money in the market and then finally pushing price to the upside and then breaking this level. So meaning here there is no sellers here again. Is here, you hear what I'm saying? So here there is no sellers here. So when price reaches here, when price come back here and then reaches here, we enter into the trade right around here. We enter into the trade here because we are anticipating that what happens here, you see, where price ended up coming here, buyers gather enough money to push price to the upside and then breaks every seller here. So all the sellers here disappear. So if price reaches here, price is at freedom to move from here to here. That's all. Price is at freedom. It is at freedom to move from here to here. The same thing applies. Price is at freedom to move from here to here. Price is at freedom. These people are making noise. Price is at freedom. Price is at freedom to move from here to here. Because when price reaches here, it breaks every seller, like dismiss every seller here. So there is no seller present here that will push price from here to here. No, it's not going to happen. It's never going to happen. I shouldn't use never because you cannot really predict this market. But what I can tell you is, oh, it's not that. It's not that it can never happen. It can happen. It's not that it can never happen. It's just that no, it can happen, but 90% of the time or 98% of the time, when price reaches here, price is going to shoot up. It's going to shoot up and then reaches this level. And then this level, anything can happen here. The reason why I'm saying anything can happen at that level is anything can happen at that level is so when price reaches here, it's at freedom to move from here to here. And then when it reaches here, anything can happen because if you see price reaches here and then comes down again because there are sellers here now. So what we need to do is to wait for price to break above. If price breaks above this level here, then meaning there's no sellers here. And the price will keep going up until it finds another level of sellers present. So if sellers are present there, then they will push price to a reasonable, point. Maybe it can be here or it can be any point right around here, but it will not break below this level. It ended up breaking. If price ended up closing below this level here, then meaning price the trend is changing. It's changing from uptrend to the downtrend. I don't know if you guys are understanding me. So that's where you enter into the trade when price reaches here because price breaks above this level here. So price is at liberty to move from here to here. All you want to do as a trader is to take price from point A to point B. That's all you need to do. So if price reaches here, then you can close your trade. You can take the money that you make. You can take the profits that you make. But if price is trending, if the trade is trending or his price is trending, his price is going on an uptrend, like I say, it will keep going up to a reasonable amount of time. How do you know it will keep going up? This is what you see. So previously I say if price keep breaking highs in the market, like the way it break here and then break here, meaning price will keep going up until you see price breaks below this level. So if price reaches here, you can take your profit, but you can still hold. You can still keep holding your profit and then wait to catch even a bigger size or make a lot of money. You can still keep holding your profit as price keep going up. And then if price reaches a point where you feel comfortable, you can take your money. You can take your money. As for that, I would just advise people that when price breaks above the first one, and because you are a beginner, you don't really have experience enough to keep holding trades like that. I would advise you that when price reaches here and then breaks above this one, and then price reaches the top, and then you see that price started to pull back down, just take your profit. Just take your profit and then wait. If price is going on an uptrend, price is not just going to move straight to the upside, like straight. No, price will keep doing up and down like I showed you. So there's a lot of opportunity for you to get in and then get out. Get in and then get out. until you start to master, the whole thing and then have experience. That's where I can say with, confident that you can hold your trade for a little bit longer, like I'm doing currently. So that is it for the uptrend. And then for the downtrend also, let me move this thing to the side and move this one to the side, copy it to here, and write downtrend. So for the downtrend is the opposite. So price reaches the upside. Let's say price reaches here, and then it was like, nah, I don't want to go up again. So what do you do? The same thing. You wait for price to come here, shoot up again, price to come down again. If price come down, you wait for price, making sure that price didn't break above any low. If price breaks above, meaning it's going up, but it breaks below, it means it's going down. So here you can see price break below this point here. The candle close. Always wait for the candle to close. So price break below here. Fine. You wait for price to come up again. If price doesn't break above this point here, then we are in for something. When price reaches here, you know what to do. When price reaches here, you know what to do. You take a trade, you enter into the trade from here. Enter into the trade from here. Enter into the trade, stop loss there. I know a lot of you guys will ask me, why did I put my stop loss here? Because like I said earlier, if price is moving in a particular direction, price shouldn't break its low or its high. If price is moving on a downtrend, price shouldn't break high, it should break low instead. So if price breaks above this level, know that our trend is invalidated, is wrong. So that's why I always put my stop loss. And you should know that if price is moving on a downtrend, price will never break below above a high. If price is going down, if price is going on a downtrend. Let me drink some water. Um, know that if price is going on a downtrend, price will never break above a level. Price will keep going like that. So it reaches the point that things change. So for now, you hold price. I already told you that because of what happened here, price breaks this level. Price is at a liberty to move from here to here. If price moved to here and then price ended up continuing, you can still hold your profits. And then when you see that price started moving back up again, you can take it because you're a beginner. You don't really have that experience to know what is going to happen. So this is how you make money. And then you keep doing this for a number of times, and then you will finally have enough experience to know where or when to break to take your profit. But for now, I'm just teaching you the basic for you to enter and then get out. So in this case, if you risk like let's say $20 or $50 or $100 or whatever, notice that when you take price from here to here, you've already, let's just say you've already make your $20 back or your $100 or your $50 back. Holding the trade to go up again and then closing it, we are almost getting to times two of the money that you put in. So it's up to you, where you close the trade. But for me, because you are a beginner watching this trade, when price goes from here, comes here, then you enter into the trade, or comes here, then you enter into it, wait for price to reach here. When price reaches here and then ended up breaking, you keep holding the trade until you see that price started to go back down, then you close your trade. That's all. Don't complicate anything. That's it. Beginner mindset. You can make money, get in, get out. That's all. Thank you. So that's it for entries and then up and down movement. So let me show you the trade that I'm currently in, and then some things also that you need to know. So as you can see I draw some box and then lines here. So example of the trade I'm currently in. So far what I'm looking at is I see price going like this. Price goes up. Let me do it first so that you can understand. So as you can see price move from here, come down, and then refuses to close. The candle refuses to close below this level. So meaning price is going up. It's ready to go up. It doesn't mean price is going up. Then you can see some, ranging is here. Like I said about range happen here. You don't trade this place. You wait for price to come above here. So as I wait for price to come above here, price reaches here and then come down again. And then what type of price breaks? Telling me that price is on an uptrend. So I wait for price to come down again. Notice price come down and then ended up breaking this though. Yeah. The reason is now this is where experience comes in, because I've been doing this for a while, so I know if there is a change of structure, if price is moving from up to downtrend, this I will know. So for here, we are not going to say price is going on a downtrend because the major level here is here. So to say price is going on a downtrend, what we need to do is to wait for the major levels to get broken. Major levels in a sense that we cannot use this as a major low that was created. No, we cannot use this. This is advanced thing that I'm talking about, but we cannot use this because, see how price move. This is let me show you this. See how price move. Price move like this, come down, move like this, come down. This way range. I'm just copying the same thing from here. That's what I'm doing. And then move up, come small, and then move up. For you watching this, isn't this didn't this thing look weird to you? Price doesn't supposed to be behaving like this. No, doesn't supposed to be behaving like this. Price have to move in a very reasonable way. You see, this is very reasonable. This is very reasonable. You see how it's looking reasonable. But the fact that price will move here and then move on, then come here, and then ended up like price comes here, then this is reasonable because price ended up coming back here before going up. You just watch. But if you look at this, price comes here, correct, move up, and then come here. So for me, what I'm looking at, for me to say this is on a down, is going on a downtrend, I have to wait for price to break below this. These are a major low that was created. All these things were just minor lows. So you have to wait for the major lows to get broken. But once I'm looking at the chart, price didn't break any major low. And also price just come here and then start ranging here. So what I did was, me, because I'm a little bit experienced, I waited for price to see things in the market for me to know that okay, price is going up, to be sure, even though I knew that price would be going up, because as you can see, the price has been going up, like visually you can see price is going up. But I still need confirmation. I just don't see things with my eyes overall and then just conclude. No, I have to I'm getting tired of talking. So I have to have confirmations. So the confirmations that I'm looking for is to see things that will convince me that price is ready to go up. So if you look here, you can see that price comes here, go up, comes down here, and then go up. What did I say? I say if price is going up, you should see price breaking highs, not lows. So when price comes here, go up, comes down here, and then goes up again. Price breaks above this high here, above this high. If price wants to go up, you should see price breaking highs, not lows. So for me, I already see that price is going on an uptrend. First, that's what you look for. Which direction is the market going? Uptrend. I've already shown you how to identify it. Uptrend. Okay, fine. So how do I enter into the trade? All right. So the price is going on an uptrend and price is up right now. So what did I see? So I see price comes here, go up, come down here, and then ended up breaking above this level. Okay. I already said if price break above this level, you should wait for price to come back again. To come back, but ensure that it doesn't break below this low here. All right. Here's where I always say this where experience coming. For me, I'm not looking at because for me, like I'm already experienced and I've been saying that I've said experience so many times, but for me, I already knew price is going up. Price is on an uptrend because if you look, price doesn't break any major low. It hasn't break this low. It hasn't break this major low because this is the low that happened before price went up. It didn't break it. So for me, I already have it in my mind that price is already an uptrend. But I just need to say something that confirms. So when price breaks above this level, and already I knew that price is already on an uptrend because visually I can see that price is moving up. When I see price breaks above this, I was like, fine, price is going on an uptrend. So what did I do? I enter into the trade right around here. But as you can see, I'm on a 1 hour time frame. If you want to make this trading thing work for you, I will advise you to trade on a higher time frame instead of the lower time frame, because the higher time frame trend is stronger on the higher time frame than the lower time frame. That's it, period. What I'm saying, just take it serious and then practice it. That's all. So when price break above this now, so what did I do? I enter into a trade right around here, stop loss below, and then I'm waiting for price to come all the way here. Why am I waiting for price to come all the way there? Because I believe that if price is trending, if you are trading, you are always taking, if you are buying, which is price is going up, you take it from the low to the high. Like I said earlier, when you are buying, you take from the low, you buy from the low and take it to the high, to the upside. So for me, this is the highest price has been. This is the highest price has been. So I'm taking it from here all the way here because that's the highest price has been to. So that's why. So if you think I'm lying, this is the trade that I'm in. I'm already up $90. I deposit $50, but I deposit $50 and I'm risking the entire $50. As you can see, stop loss is 44.13. I'm risking the entire $50 on this trade. Yeah, I'm risking the entire $50 on this trade. Yeah. So one thing I want to say as a beginner trader is, your goal is to get better in trading. Your goal as a trader is to get better, because once you get better, you can risk more money to make more money. The goal for you is to just just get better at this. You don't need to start trading with having a mindset, oh, I want to make money, make money, make money, make money. No, 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 no. The goal you should have is to get better interest, understand how it works, like the way I showed you, and then practice it several times. And then once you are confident about your skills that you have, then you can use it to make more money. Make more money. Because I already know how the system works. You can see I enter into the trade right around here. And then now it's moving up. You can see that because I know this, I understand how prices move up and down. I can risk more money on it. I can risk more. Right now, I deposit $50 and I'm risking the entire $50 just on a single trade. That's 100% of my account. But because why did I do that? Because I understand how it works, and I have confidence on my skills. I've been doing this for a while, so that's what to show you that don't have the mindset that want to make money. You should actually learn the skills. Learning the skills is what you should do. Learning the skills should be your top priority. Learning the skills should be a top priority. And like you see, I'm risking $50, and this is just one account, and I'm having another account also. You can see my balance is 51. Yeah, you can see now 51, and right now I'm currently having 144. I'm in a profit of 93. Yeah, 93. So this is my bigger size account also. This is my bigger size account. This is my bigger size account. On this account, I'm up $500. I enter into multiple positions. So you can see one position is saying $89, and I enter into like 6 different positions here. I can show you 6 different positions, so they are all in a profit of $91. So I'm currently at 553, and I'm up. My total account balance is 1,653. If this trade plays for maybe I might be I might make $1,000 from this trade. So that's it. So the goal for you is to just get better in doing this. And once you get better, you can risk a lot of money. Like this particular trade, I risked around $217. Yeah, 270. It was each trade I'm risking like around 44, because the same lot size that I entered into the previous, the same lot size. So I'm risking $44, and if you multiply 44 by 44 uh, times 6, 44 times 6, that is like 264. So I'm risking almost $217 off of this trade alone. $270 off of this trade alone. Why did I raise that? Why did I raise that certain amount? It's because I know what I'm doing. So that is more than 20%, almost 30% of my account, because my balance was $1,000. That is like almost 30% of my account that I'm risking, because because I'm doing this, and then I'm trying to get better at what I'm doing. And then I finally understand a little bit of it. I'm not going to say I'm a pro or I'm an expert yet, but because I've understood the whole market structure thing, it has made me to take trades with confidence. Yeah, take trade with confidence. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. And oh, wait. So to prove to you guys that it always hasn't been like that, let me show you my account real quick. Let me show you my account real quick. My broker is SNS. I'll put a link in the description if you want to use this broker. If you want to use it, I'll put a link in the description. All you need to just do is click on it and then sign up. That's all. So if I go to performance, let me show you. Trading starts working for me this year, 2026. I can show you everything foolproof. The last 365 days, I started trading around May. Yeah, around May. And then trading started working for me this year, January, February. So in May, I lost the entire May. I lost $25. In June, I'm able to make $93, and then I keep losing. And then this year, February, that's where I finally understood the whole thing very well. And then this year I ended up closing the February month with $213, and then March, we are currently in March. Today is 15th. We haven't even reached anywhere in March, and I'm already up to 840 in March alone. If you can see my equity, you can see I started trading right around May 25th. May 25th, that's where I deposit my first $16.92. $16.92. And then from there, I started trading, making some profits, losing deposits, losing deposits. I've been doing that until this year, May, February. Then everything clicks, and then you can see my growth exponential. See, I'm climbing the ladder exponential, bro, exponential. So I'm always almost close to that $2,000 mark. I've done a lot of withdrawal in the past. Like by now I would have been in. But you can see my profit and loss for the last 365 days. It's not even a year. It's not even a year this, but you can see in total I've lost like $963, and I've made 1,917. Let's see, for the past 30 days, how much did I make? For the past 30 days, like for the past 30 days, I made 1,500. You can see, or you can see. So that's how things can change for you very quickly. So I'm giving you proof that I'm trading the way I'm said I'm trading. Like I'm giving you proof that I'm trading the way I said I'm trading. So I'm not faking this. These are all real accounts. Real accounts. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching, and make sure you watch this video several times in order to get understanding of how this whole thing works. Yeah, see you guys. So I'll let you guys know, show you the after, how everything went, everything works. If how am I going to say, I'll show you the after. This is the before of the trade that I'm currently in. I'll show you how everything plays out once I'm coming to close this trade. And thank you. It's not easy to make YouTube videos.